The US has imposed new tariffs under President Donald Trump, significantly affecting Indian exports. A 27% discounted tariff applies to most goods except pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, energy, and minerals unavailable in the US. A 10% baseline duty takes effect on April 5, with an additional 27% from April 9, making Indian exports costlier. Financial markets reacted sharply with the S&P 500 losing $2 trillion amid fears of a recession. The Indian Commerce Ministry called the move a mixed bag as some sectors face setbacks while others might benefit. Exports of shrimp, carpets, medical devices, and gold jewelry will suffer due to higher costs. The gems and jewelry sector, which contributes $11.5 billion to export, risks job losses and margin erosion. Engineering goods and specialty chemicals are also at risk. Electronics, textiles, and pharmaceuticals may gain an edge since they remain exempt. Energy exports, including gas, oil, and gasoline, will continue without disruption. India's trade surplus with the US was $46 billion in 2024, with software exports $103 billion unaffected. Automobile exports $2.8 billion face limited impact. Trump stated that the tariffs imposed on India are half of what New Delhi charges the US. He claimed that after factoring in trade and non-trade barriers and currency adjustments, India effectively charges the US up to 52%. India is negotiating a bilateral trade agreement with the US expected by late 2025. Higher defense and oil gas imports may secure favorable terms, though reducing agricultural import duties remains contentious. The government is closely monitoring the situation to mitigate negative impacts and leverage new opportunities in global trade.